Dear children, so far we discussed about the creation of data frame. What are the ways to create data frame? Data frame can be created by using series, a dictionary of series, and a list of dictionaries. In this module, we are going to discuss the two functions which are available in data frame object. It is for getting the data from the data frame. The first function is iterate rows. The second function is iterate columns. If you want to access the record or data from a data frame, then the iteration functions are used. Panda provide two functions that are iter rows and iter columns. That is iter items. First, we should have to discuss iter rows function. How this function can be easily accessible, or what is the purpose of this function. Let me give an example program for knowing what is iter rows function in data frame. The iter rows function is used to access the data row wise. It is used to access the data row wise, that is in the horizontal wise. Look at the example given. Here I had created the same thing, a list of dictionaries. Two dictionaries I had given for a list. The values are name and surname. The keys are values and surname. Values are Sachin and Vinod. The values for surname is Bhardwaj and Verma. Look at the data frame creation that we already studied in the previous module. Data frame equal to pd.dataframe of L. L represents the list of dictionaries. Then we are trying to print the data frame. Look at the line 6. Row index, comma row value. Here we are taking two values, two variables, row index and row value. Instead of giving for A in range, we are having a tuple of row index variable and row value variable. And we are iterating the data frame with rows. That is df dot. Df is what? Df is the data frame object. Object of the data frame. Dot iter rows function. Colon is given for the header. Then we are trying to print row indexes. We are printing the row index, that is the variable, the value of that particular variable, and row value is on the next line. Let us check the output, how the program will result. The first one, that is name, surname, 01 Sachin, Bhardwaj and Vinod Verma. Like that. Why we are getting that particular output? Because of the print of df. Then the next one, print row indexes. According to that only it will print. From what is how the iteration starts? The row value starts from 0. The index value starts from 0. So it is starting from 0. What is the value? Name Sachin and surname Bhardwaj. Like that. What is the name here? What is the column name here? That is 0th name. Then row index 1. We will get Vinod and Verma. So how the iteration happens here? In the horizontal manner. How the dictionary is given? Sachin, Bhardwaj, like that, Vinod and Verma. So how the horizontal function happens? It is happening in the horizontal way. The iteration happens in the horizontal way. What will be the next one? Iter items. The next function is iter items. Here item is nothing but the column. It is used to access the data column wise, that is in the vertical wise. The previous one is horizontal wise, but here the iter item is used for horizontal wise of data accessing. My dear children, please differentiate or please try to differentiate the two functions. The one is for horizontal iteration, that is row wise iteration. The next one is for column wise iteration. So the same program, only there is one change. Instead of getting row name and column row value, here we are getting column name and a column value. That is the only change we are using. And instead of iter rows, we are giving iter items. So look at the program. Import pandas, still print df1, which is very similar to the previous program. We are giving we are creating a dictionary with a list of dictionary values. Here I enclose the same values only. And I try to print the df. So we will get the first df value as name and surname as the column name. But how the iteration happens? What will be the column name? Column name. First we are trying to print column name as. What is the first column name? It is nothing but name. Then what is the column values? Sachin and Vinod. Let us check what will be the first resultant. Column name is name and column values are, in the 0th index we are having Sachin. In the first index we are having the value as Vinod. Ongoing the second iteration, we will get the column name as what? The column name as surname. The column name as surname, and we will get the values are Bhardwaj and Verma. So look at the output. Column name is surname. Column values are, at the 0th index we are getting Bhardwaj, and second one we are getting Verma. So what is the change we had given here? In the 4, that is in the 6th line, we had given the 4 value as column name and column values, and instead of using iter rows, we had used iter items. My dear children, once again I am repeating, data frame having two main functions for accessing the data, either in the horizontal way or in the vertical way. The horizontal way of accessing is known as row wise accessing. The vertical way of accessing is known as column wise accessing. The first one, that is horizontal one accessing, is termed as, or the function which is used for horizontal accessing is iter rows, and the second function is for, that is iter item is used for the data frame, the data from the data frame accessing is in the form of column wise. I think you are all clear about how to use the two functions, iter rows and iter items. Thank you.